All right, let's look at the homework 2.6, problem number 4. All right, so we have second derivative given, and we want to find the fifth derivative. All right, so let's do that. All right, so we have 6 square root of x minus 6. All right, so I don't like square root, so I'm going to rewrite square root as, so you have a x minus 6, right? Then we're going to write it as a power. So it's going to be square root is equivalent to 1/2 power. So we get that. All right, so let's take another derivative. So it's going to be, there's going to be 6 there. So we put 6, right? Then we're going to multiply by, let's see, we're going to multiply by, so put 1/2 in front. So we're going to put 1/2 in front. How we do that? Let's see. Right. So 1/2 in front. And then keep the same quantity, which is x minus 6. Do that. And then subtract 1 from the power. So it's initially power is 1/2. So it's going to be negative 1/2. Right? Then you want you're going to multiply by derivative inside, which is 1. So I'm not going to write that. Right? So you get that. So let's clean this up. Right? So you have 6 divided by 2 is 3. Right? Then we have x minus 6 and raise it to the negative 1/2. Right? So we got that. Right? Find the fourth derivative, right? So again, 3 is in front, right? Then you have multiply by, so you put negative 1/2 in front, right? So we have put the power in front, right? Then we keep the same quantity, which is x minus 6. We got that. Then subtract 1 from the powers, 1 from negative 1/2. So you're going to have negative 3/2. Right? So we have that. Then multiply by derivative inside, which is 1 anyway. Right? So this cleans out to be negative 3/2. Right? So negative 3/2. Then we have quantity x minus 6 and then raise it to the negative 3/2 power. Right? So we got that. Right? So last derivative. So I'm going to put negative 3/2 just to put it outside. Right? Then we have to multiply by another negative 3/2. So I'm going to put multiply by negative 3/2. Right? Then we just keep the same quantity, which is x minus 6. And then raise it to the, we're going to have to subtract 1 from the power. So it's going to be raise it to the negative 5/2 power, right? So we got that. Then multiply by the derivative inside, which is 1 again, right? So negative, negative cancel out. So 3 times 3 is 3, over 2 times 2 is 4. So we're going to get a 9/4. So fraction 9/4, right? So we put that in there. All right, then you still have quantity x minus 6. All right, then raise it to the negative 5/2 power. All right, so we got that. All right, so let's type it in. All right, so we got 9/4, right? And x minus 6, raise it to the negative 5/2. All right, I'm going to just get rid of these parentheses. All right, let's check the answer. All right, I came back and looks like we got this one correctly. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.